How to enable or disable live captions in FaceTime on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down and then in here, tap on Live Captions. Now go down to the in-app live captions section, and in here tap on live captions in FaceTime. Tap on the toggle button to turn this on, or you can switch it off. And here it said if you prefer live captions be displayed only in specific apps, turn on in live captions. Turn on in-app live captions. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key, swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.